Here's the inside of the Green Learning Station under construction. We've got our future bathrooms with the plumbing going in over there. And there you can see the former plexiglass windows from the old gas station. Here is our north addition, which will be a storage room. It's all framed out. We've got our garage door opening into that. Nice and roomy. And you can see the south wall of the south addition over there. It's a solid concrete poured wall, and that will kind of be the base for the stairs that are going up to the green roof, which people will be able to access. The main space here will be our learning classroom, which will be available for field trips, but also adult classes, facility rentals, hands-on workshops. We have another storage room in the works back here. Here's the trellis on the north addition that's cantilevered off of the building and will be home to a hardy kiwi vine growing out of a planter in front of the sculpture wall, which is now covered up with plywood. And here you can see the footers of the south addition curing, getting ready for framing.